Running a growing business is hard enough, but when customer emails, chats, and tickets come from everywhere, managing them all can overwhelm your support team. The result? Slow responses, missed messages, and unhappy customers. What if you could organize, automate, and effortlessly manage every customer conversation right from your WordPress dashboard? Meet Support Genix, the all-in-one help desk and ticket system built for WordPress. From email to ticket conversion to multi-agent collaboration, and even AI-powered replies. Everything you need to deliver faster, smarter support lives right here. Let's explore the powerful features that drive your support efficiency. Smart ticket management. Organize, prioritize, and track customer tickets with categories, tags, priorities, and status tracking. Everything you need to resolve issues faster. Built-in knowledge base. Create a self-service help center with categories, tags, and built-in analytics to track what's working. AI writing assistant. Generate professional knowledge base articles 10 times faster using AI, saving hours of manual writing. AI ticket reply assistant. Draft smart, context-aware replies in seconds, helping agents respond 60% faster while maintaining consistent quality. AI chatbot. Assist customers 24/7 with automated answers from your knowledge base, reducing ticket volume by up to 40%. Smart documentation suggestions. Display relevant help articles automatically while customers create tickets. Many find their answer before even submitting. Email to ticket conversion. Convert incoming emails into organized tickets automatically with mailbox binding for department-based routing. Unlimited agents and custom roles. Add unlimited agents with granular permissions and route tickets to the right departments effortlessly. Automation and workflows. Assign tickets, auto-close inactive ones, and set up automated notifications. Fully customizable to your workflow. Portal for customers and agents. A dedicated front-end portal for both customers and agents. Customers can submit and track tickets easily, while agents manage, reply to, and update tickets directly from the front end. No dashboard required. Plus, secure one-click hot link access gives customers instant entry when they need it. Reports, analytics, and chatbot history. Get complete visibility into your support performance. Track ticket reports, analyze knowledge base performance, and full chatbot conversation history. Monitor ticket volume and agent productivity. Measure article effectiveness, and uncover content gaps to continuously improve support. Powerful integrations. Connect with WooCommerce, WhatsApp, Slack, Fluent CRM, Envato, Tutor LMS, and BetterDocs, all built in and ready to use. Outgoing webhooks. Connect with any CRM or automation tool like Zapier, Make, or Pabbly. Extend your support workflow to any external service. Incoming webhooks. Create tickets from any form or automation tool. Receive support requests from anywhere. Custom fields and conditional logic. Create dynamic ticket forms where fields appear based on user selections, collecting exactly what you need. Saved replies. Pre-written responses with dynamic placeholders. Answer common questions in one click. Chatbot embed. Your AI chatbot beyond a single website. Embed it on any external domain or web app using a simple script tag. Control features, restrict knowledge bases, and customize branding for each site, all from one central dashboard. Weekend and holiday management. Set clear expectations, even when your team is offline. Define custom weekend and holiday schedules, and Support Genix automatically displays portal notices and sends email alerts, so customers always know when to expect a response. One-click login. Reduce login friction with one-click access via Google and Envato. Users sign in instantly with their existing account. No new passwords, no extra steps. Automated performance reports. Receive automated support performance reports directly in your email, hourly, daily, weekly, or monthly. Monitor agent productivity, track category trends, and optimize your entire support operation. Built with security first, GDPR compliant, all data stays on your server. Lightweight React architecture, plus WordPress multi-site, WPML support. Ready to level up your customer support? Give Support Genix a try. Check the links in the description for demos, documentation, and tutorials. Thanks for watching. To grow your business with more great videos, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to HasThemes on YouTube.